Halle Berry Keto Diet Secrets. Halle Berry stopped eating sugar years ago to manage her diabetes. She credits her keto diet with keeping her healthy, satisfied, and fit. Though she no longer has sugar cravings, she enjoys salty snacks and natural red wine. I wanted to get off of insulin, so I decided to say goodbye to processed carbs and sugar like baked goods and white bread, and it has seriously paid off. For more than 15 years, eating this way has helped me manage my diabetes, but it's also given me a ton of energy and helped me maintain my weight and stay in shape. When my trainer Peter formally introduced me to the ketogenic lifestyle a few years ago, I realized all I had to do to feel even better was give my body more healthy fats, like avocado, coconut oil, and butter, so it had more of that fuel to burn. I feel incredible on the high-fat, moderate protein, and very low-carb plan. Seriously, I couldn't tell you the last time I even craved sweets, and wouldn't go back to the sugar-eating ways of before my diabetes diagnosis for anything in the world. Here's what a typical day of the keto diet looks like for me these days. Since getting into keto, I don't usually eat a regular breakfast. I sip on my frothy drink throughout the morning and love that the fat in it fuels my body and that it gives me a steady stream of caffeine and energy to start the day with. If I do feel like cooking up a morning meal, though, I keep it simple with scrambled eggs, peppers, and onion with a side of avocado. Usually, in this case, I'll have an electrolyte drink or a bit of a keto-friendly bar. I love the True Women plant protein bars. I always start with lots of greens, then add veggies like tomatoes, olives, and green and red peppers. From there, avocado and some sort of vinaigrette dressing made with olive oil and spices add healthy fats. When in doubt, though, I whip out my favorite cookbook, Keto Comfort Foods, and make a recipe from there. Though I don't usually snack a lot, I feel very satisfied on keto. I do enjoy munching on something in the afternoon every once in a while. I really enjoy savory flavors, though, so I love snacking on chips. If I have time, though, perhaps my favorite snack is homemade kale chips. They're so easy to make. I just dress kale with olive oil and a little salt and toss it in the oven, and taste way better when you bake them yourself. I usually don't need much at this point, so I often go for some grilled vegetables with a plant-based protein like chickpeas. I also love cauliflower mash, or even a bit of sweet potato mash, at dinner. When in doubt, though, I go for the same veggie protein fat combo I have at lunchtime. I don't really have a sweet tooth at all anymore, really. You could put cake in front of me and I wouldn't want it, but I do really enjoy a glass of red wine after dinner. I still want to do my body good when I treat myself, and a nice, clean glass of wine helps me do just that.